What's up, everyone? It's been a while since I made a video, and sorry about that, I've been busy. Today I'm unboxing a device that I already have, and it's obviously so good that I picked up a second one. Right now, Best Buy is running a special with the MX Master, the original one. At one point this used to retail for $100. It's running for $59.99 at the moment. So go to your local Best Buy and check it out. They are also discounting the MX Master Numero Dos. That one is $80, and I really didn't see the difference between the first and second generation. So I said, let me just save myself a few bucks and go for the older gen. The reason I'm picking up a second one is actually since I spent a lot of time at work, I ended up taking my original one and using it in the office. So up until lately, I've been using this piece of shit mouse, whatever. It's a Logitech. It was like 20 bucks, and you get what you pay for, guys. I'm just gonna say that. I like this one because you can do the scroll wheel and all that, and it had somewhat of an ergonomic thing. It had like, but it's just it's a piece of shit. It's a terrible mouse. Something that you use every day. You might as well bite the bullet and invest in something that is worth your money. So let's open this bad boy up. One thing that I like about this, and I'm sure a lot of creators love this, is for two things. Number one, you can use it across both platforms. So I have a rig, I have a Windows desktop, and then I also use a Mac Pro. So it's really annoying having to switch between the two, and with this mouse you have the choice. So give me one. Yeah. So you have two choices. You can use this little adapter, or you can run it just with Bluetooth. So this has Bluetooth built in. You can pair your MacBook or your Apple device to this mouse without having to use a dongle. So then I use the dongle when I'm on my Windows computer, because my Windows computer doesn't have Bluetooth built in, and you're good to go. And you can program up to 3 devices. So if I have a Mac Pro, I can connect it to the first one. Second one would be the Windows. Third one would be, like, let's say my laptop. So it's really cool. That's probably like the biggest selling feature on it. Apart from that, honestly, the reason why I love this mouse is because of how comfortable it is. It's just very ergonomic. So when you're using it, it just has a nice feel to it. The clicks aren't too loose. They're nice and precise. And then the spinning wheel, this isn't on, so I won't be able to perform it for you, but you press this button in the middle and it lets the scroll wheel become free, and you can scroll through things really nice. Also, the thumb scroll on the side is a nice touch when I'm editing in Final Cut Pro. That comes in handy. And then it has 2 programmable buttons right here on the side too, which I'm gonna do some close-up shots on it so you guys can take a better look. It's just a tried and true product. I've had my mouse for a long time, and now that this is $60, I said, you know what, I'm gonna go for it. That way I don't have to keep using the one from the office, bring it home for the weekend, and have to go. You know, it's just annoying having to carry a mouse home. I might as well just commit myself to another one. And another thing about me is, hey, I'm not a gamer. I know that there's, like, when it even comes to mouse or whatever, there's actual specifications, DPIs and all that shit. Listen, I don't have time to do all the research and get a gaming mouse. I know that they're probably faster, more precise, probably cheaper too, lighter, whatever the case may be, but I'm using this strictly for creating content. I'm not gaming with a mouse, so that's why I choose it. Battery life is great on this thing. Unfortunately, it uses micro USB. They do provide you with one, and you know, you gotta charge it up every now and then. But your battery life is great. You can even extend it more if you turn the switch off, honestly. Oh look, it's got pre-charge. Cool. I love using that feature. Sometimes I'm not even doing anything, I just like spinning it. It's like a fidget spinner almost. Right now it's trying to find a device. Sorry, mouse. That's all I have to say, really. Pick one up. They're $60 now. You can go to your local Best Buy and find it. Unfortunately, I think this is the only color left. So, you know, if you're not a fan of... This is like a beige white. It's like a pearl. I don't know how to describe it. It looks better in person than it does in the photos, I will tell you that. And if you got like a nice setup, it could match it if you have other accessories that complement it. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about this mouse, I don't know why I keep fucking that up. Let me know. More than happy to answer any questions. Cheers.